G Vrangashe. So inu is an Jerdine. So tá an Shachtan Biognach Creek Naha Arish. The week is nearly finished again. Okay, agus inu an Fihu Law. An Kuigu Law is Fiha. Javi Fiaura. Gavila is a Fiha hen. An Tarakata an. Agus tá an Amshire ig Irie Nisfiar. Getting better. Ig Irie Nisfiar. And I think for the next week the forecast is good. Which is good. Now, in you, Tomage Egg Janov or Naberlum Marish, so Togi Amak were Naberlum, Agus Oskligi and Lower Lahanok Shakto Do 72. And Salahanok shot we have a Cómhrá, Idger and Shopador, the shopkeeper, Agus Dahi. And in ye Shcrive Shiv, you wrote about Law and Shopador, the day of the shopkeeper. So here we're seeing a Cómhrá, a conversation, Idger, Ushin. No, Dahi, Agus and Shopador. So fake on shop, Dahi, Agus and Shopador, and that's I think a Buchel guy, okay? And there's Siopa and it Tasha a Canuck Broga Raha Nua. Okay, Agus Ta Gila Connor Shul, Quega%. So before we listen to the Cómhrá, and I tell you what I want from you today, okay, here are just some useful phrases that you'll see in this Cómhrá. An Féidir Lum Cowrlap, can I help you? Is Féidir Moshe the Hele? You can, thank you. Táme ag iri something a canach. I want to buy something. Táme ag iri cóta a canach. Táme ag iri ganzi a canach. Táme ag iri broga raha a canach. Íntuk, brilliant. Kinál or what lat? What kind would you like? Or what lat dove? No glass. Oh, bo wat lum. I would like dove. Le the hell, please. An will she le fall in na or bit ella. Is it available? The fall just means available. In na or bit ella. In any other colour. Ta bui agin, maybe. We have yellow. Cod, and the most important bit, cod a cosnian na brogaraha. What do they cost? How much do they cost na brogaraha? Cod a cosnian, and that's the Amshire Laura because it ends in NN. We're not asking how much it cost yesterday or how much it cost tomorrow. What does it cost now? So cod a cosnian. Cosnian she shiad or she. Costin na brogaraha, €100, €100 Bejer. An e shin e, is that it? Isse, that's it. And then shogich, dargit. Here is your money. So nice simple Cómhrá idger on Shopador agus Dahi. And then some useful phrases here. Hoodie, we know what a hoodie is. Color sport, tracksuit, tilena, eska littoga, leggings, brish the gena, jeans, guna, eska brogaraha, bootishi, they're all grand. And then we have Nadahana in the Busky Arashta. Nadahana, or no, the adjectives kind of. Bond of, Jargbui, Germglas, Ord, high, Ishil, low, Fada, long, Gyar, short. So they're nice adjective to have. And then we have Napraisana, Jet no Feha, 10 or 20, Trocha no Dakid, 30 or 40, Quega no Shaska, 50 or 60. Is that correct, Laura? So on Wilshire, are you ready to listen to the Cómhrá Idzer Dahi Agus an Shopador? So off we go. And I'll make this full screen. How do I make this full screen? There we go. And boom. Let's hear it.
An Féidir Lum Cowrlap.
Is Féidir Moshe the Hele? Tá mé gur broga raha oiraha cheanna.
So I'm wanting to buy Táme Igir Brogaraha Oraha, a particular type of cannock, to buy a particular kind.
Íntuk.
Brilliant.
King Kinol Wallet.
What type?
Na broga Superstar Pro le the high.
Ooh, Broga Superstar
Honnig
Pro.
me pera dover and mala. And will she le fallen nachna ella?
So Honnig me pera dove. I saw a black pair Eran Mala on the wall. And will she the fall? Are they available in any other colour?
Tá Bon, Lia, agus Glas Gyal Agin.
Glass Gyal, bright green. Glass is green, Gyal bright.
Tugging me na broga glossa gyala mar sin. Toast a shay.
So Togi me, I'm sure Oshnach, looking ahead, I will take the Brogara Glass Gyala Martian. He's going for the blitzy ones, the colourful, glitzy. Toast a shay. Toast, what do you think Toast is? Yeah, size 6.
Wallet ne Gnovroga. No na keen ear Adrama.
Ooh, would you like the Gnabroga, the ordinary ones, or the really, really light ones? Fear aids from a really, really light. What will you go for?
Cada chos nín she.
How much do they cost?
Cosni in the Gnovroga up do euro.
80.
agus na cin ear éadrime €90.
And the really light ones, €90, €90.
Barlam na gnábhróga mar sin.
I would prefer the ordinary ones then, please. Na gnábhróga.
Cinse
Certainly.
an é sin é.
Is that it?
Is é, seo dit €8.
That's it. Here's the
Go
moolah.
raibh magat. Joey may iad own stores.
Gadav Magat. Thanks a million. Okay. Yoi me. Amshir Oshnuk. It's a breher navrilta. 4 is the Amshir Kacha in ye, but Yoi, I will get them from the storehouse, the storage. Okay.
Right.
Brilliant.
Gur míle maithagad.
Excellent. Garmilamar. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch. Okay, so that's a nice Cómhrá, Idzer. And we'll watch it once more.
An féidirlum carulat.
Is féidir máise do thola. Tá mé gur brog ratha áirithe cheannach.
Ian took. Cin cinál wallat.
Na broga Superstar Pro le do hall. Connic mé péire dubh ar an mala. An bhfuil siad le fáil in náithna eile?
Tá bán, lia, agus glas ceall agan.
Tugann mé na broga glas a geala mar sin. Tós a sé.
Wallat na gnábhróga. No na cín ear éadrime.
Cad a chusníonn siad.
Cosníon na gnábhróga €8. Agus na cin ear éadrime €90.
Barlam na gnábhróga mar sin.
Cinse an é sin é.
Is é, seo dit €8.
Go raibh magat. Joey may iad own stores.
Right. Gur míle maithagad.
Okay, so, and as you'll see, guys, on page 72, in Where Naberlum, you have the exact same Cómhrá up there, so we don't need to go through that again, okay? But at the bottom, they want to scríb on Cómhrá. They ask us to write the conversation. Now, because I'm super kinalta, I'm very kind, I'm not going to get you to scríb it. But I want you to leave a voice message. 3 veil, so fog voice message, okay? 3 veil. So, and if you look, guys, if you're filling in the blanks, it's exactly the same as the top, okay? Look at these lines here. They'll really, really help you. Okay, from there down as far as there. Now, the only thing is, it's Magda we have here, and she's not trying to buy runners. She's trying to buy a hoodie, and the price is a bit different. The colour is a bit different. So, on Féidirlum, look up above. On Féidirlum, Cowrilat, can I help you? Is Féidir Máise de Hele? Tá mé ag iri húdi a ceannach. Okay? Cén da what lat, the shopper asks. Well, honnic me ceann gurm san injog. An bhfuil sé le fáil I náithna eile. So look up here. An bhfuil sé le fáil I náithna eile in any other colours. And then the lady says, Tá dearg dubh agus glas agin freisin. Tógi me an dubh mar sin. Okay? Or whatever. It's up to yourselves. You can decide down here what way you want to do it. But up here gives you a great guide. So that's it. Just leaving a voice message, guys, nice and quick. Of the conversation and try and, you know, change your voices a little bit. When you're the shoppador, I guess when you're Magda. Okay, just so we know who's a conch. And you'll see it up here. Just follow that guide up there and you'll have no problems at all. Is that okay, guys? Ceart glór sinné for Gaeilge in you. Gur míle míle magadh.